Hi, welcome to How to Play Othello. This is a really cool game. It's a board game. Now it's online. I'm going to teach you how to play the game. It's actually a simple game to learn, and the more you play it, the more you realize it's a really good, complicated game, like chess or something like that. Some people also call this game Reversi. Either way, same thing, but it starts with two players. Somebody is white, somebody is red. I mean black. I'm sorry, and I'm black. And this is how the board is set up with those four in the center, just like that. And I'm going to walk you through how to play the game, and then at the end, I'm going to start to talk about some strategies on how to win it. Because learning it is simple, winning it is hard. So the way it works is this. Since I'm going to go first and I'm black, I'm going to put a piece anywhere that is on the other side of a opponent's piece. So I'm black. I'm going to put a piece anywhere on the other side of a white piece that allows me to sort of make a string. And then once I do that, anything in the middle I'm allowed to then turn over. Each piece has got a white side and a black side, and it becomes black. Now, they put that there. Now look, I can put mine here and then turn this one over. I could put mine here and turn this one over. I could put it here and turn this one over. And that's essentially the way this game is played. And as simple as this is, I can put here and turn that over. You have to start really thinking about ways to maximize turning over the things to your color, because the person at the end of the game who has the most colors facing up wins. The trick of this game, and this is where it starts to get complicated, is the trick of the game is to win the game is really about getting the edges and the corners. All this stuff in the middle that we're flipping over right now, as soon as we get close to an edge or a corner, that's when the colors really stick. You can see how almost every turn everything is changing right now. That's not going to last long. And what you really want to do is find a way to get those corners. If I put this here, I can do this. But what I really want to do is I want to start to get to that corner. Until I can get to that corner, I don't really have much of a game. And as you can see, they're also doing the same thing. They're trying to get to corners. The only way to get to a corner is by being able to take some pieces off on an edge. So that's an important thing that you want to get your opponent to start working towards, is this. So for example, I could put this here, and he's going to take it back. What I want to do is get a black piece here, and then be able to pick that black piece in the corner and take this whole row. Once you have a corner, that's the only piece that can't be switched. So that's an important rule to understand here. So he's going to do everything in his power to never let me hit a black corner. Well, but I did just get this black corner. So that's great. And then I also can grab this black corner. Now, I could just grab this, but it's not going to matter because he'll flip it, because he can easily flip it back. But what we want to do is we want to start to build off of this and really start to make it so that well, that's great. There's no moves available. And build it so that we are in the driver's seat here. If I put this here, he can put it here and take me back. So I'm not going to do that. I could put it here because I really want to get this whole diagonal, but ultimately this is at risk here. So I'm going to wait and take this. Oops, he got me on that. Yeah. See, every time you put it in the middle, you're just making it so that he can take that. And that's not what I want to do right now. I don't want to give him too much to take. And whatever I do take, I need to make sure I can get the last word. You see, now he's taking this, but I definitely want to take this back. If I put this here, then he can ultimately... Oh, actually, hang on one second. If I put this here... There we go. And now I've got the third corner. And now I've got the fourth corner. I'm ultimately going to win this game just because there's nothing he can do about it. And he'll take this back, and I'll take it all back. Um, it's pretty simple. Um, hope you learned a lot. Bye.